Memorial Hospital at 11 a.m. today. Following the Honorable Judge's direction, the Deputy Registrar and Counsel for the plaintiff and the third defendant visited the reference hospital. The status is as follows. The county government has taken over the operations of the hospital. The gates are being manned by county government askaris with reinforcement from the Kenya Police. Entry into the hospital is only by permission granted by the county government. The hospital staff were evicted at wee hours of the morning. Most patients have been discharged. A few hospital staff are working to discharge the remaining patients and process bodies for transfer to other facilities. End of the report.
Thank you, my lady. That report makes reference to conduct even by county government staff, and we need to account for that in our response. All I'm pleading for is to be granted time to get an affidavit filed to respond to those allegations. Otherwise, as we speak up, no full facts, neither as my client's position in place before court. On account of the short notice and without a substantive application to render such dispositions made. That's my position. I do request to grant the 3 days to do so. So Okore can add something on that account.
Our counsel, adversely mentioning officers of the county without any form of proof being used before this court. And so as much as we did not get the opportunity to be part of the site visit by virtue of the impracticability on our part, I pray that we proceed without adverse mention to parties unless formal evidence has been placed.
How do we deal with that?
My lady, those are the issues that I've raised in my response. We need to take the veracity of the same. We need to consult with our clients because those are orders that are served upon our clients. And as far as counsel is concerned, we have not given any advisory on the takeover. And as such, we are requesting for time that we might be given to explain to this court whether there is any issue that needs to be brought before this court and whether those orders have indeed been flouted by county officials and who is responsible for the takeover that has taken place according to Mr. Karanja's report.
Mr. Muturi, the agent.
Well, on my part, there is no dispute. But it was issue that was raised by Mr. Karanja about the National Police Service, but a chance to speak to the county government to the rest of Mr. Karanja. Is not aware of a court order barring the county government from accessing the facility since he was not served with the order. And it takes me
Yes or no? Aware of an order barring the county government.
yes, he was not served with the order from accessing the facility. evidently the police officers are just there to keep peace because there was fear of having there occurring confrontation between the two parties. And so, working on intelligence reports, that is why they sent the officers to the town. So the officers are just there, Mr. Ndanyi will confirm. They're just sitting now on the side looking at what is happening. But it tells me if there's an order that the police parade there, you will be able to comply with it.
Mr. Forrest's submissions, the court has visited through the DRA premises. It is clear, and we don't need any further evidence, who is there. The court has observed. The court has observed and recorded what is happening. Therefore, your leadership at this point, all what we need is an order to restore the management back to Nakuru War Memorial Hospital. And as I said, if the order is issued to the county commander, I'm sure he will be able to remove those county askaris who are there, and the hospital will start operating. On the issue of content,
Yes, sir.
the issue of content, my Lord, I am aware that no man should be condemned unheard. And for that reason, what we intend is to prosecute our application for content dated 1st November 2023, which is on record. So, and the respondent can be given an opportunity to respond. But
The application is dated when?
it is dated 1st November 2023. We would request that you be allowed to file a further affidavit to demonstrate content starting on Saturday up to now. And then the first respondent can respond
1st November 2023.
2023, yes, 1st November 2023, and file on the same date. We ask for leave to file further affidavit to bring out continuous acts of content. But for now, we plead that your leadership that you give us an order that for removal of the county government officers who are stationed there and the restoration of the status quo ante the invasion which took place this morning. As I say, they went there on Saturday, they have been there. This morning at 3:30, they threw out everyone and took over the management. And this is purely knowing you are coming before this court. I think they are trying the court. They want to see what the court can do. And I want to believe us as lawyers will push and ask the court to do what is within its powers to ensure there is obedience of the orders. The county government is behaving as if it is above the law. Nobody is above the law, not even the county government.
This matter was filed in court by the plaintiff applicant on 30th October 2023, seeking for orders restraining the defendants from interfering with the running of Nakuru War Memorial Hospital. The matter was brought under certificate of urgency, and the court gave an order restraining the defendant respondents from interfering with the running of the hospital. The court further gave an order on 2nd November 2023, directing that the sub-county police commander, commanding officer, former OCPD, Nakuru Town East, to assist the plaintiff applicant in enforcing the orders of the court dated 30th October 2023, which was implemented at the hospital management restored back On 20th November 2023, this matter came up for inter-parties hearing, whereby the same orders were extended until today. Council were to file and serve submissions. To canvass the application and the mentioned date scheduled for 23rd January 2024. Today, Council for the plaintiff informed the court that the defendant county government of Nakuru had taken over the hospital in disregard of the court order by evicting the workers and the patients at 3 a.m. The court gave an order directing all council for the parties to, together with the deputy registrar of the court, to visit the scene and come up with a report of the status. Counsel for the plaintiff and the AG and the deputy registrar attended the site, of which the deputy registrar filed a report confirming that the county government had taken over the hospital and that the place is manned by county government guards together with the police from the National Police Service. Court orders must be obeyed. If you are aggrieved by an order, you have a right to appeal to the higher court. That is why the Constitution establishes hierarchy of courts. There would be no need of courts to give orders that cannot be obeyed. Courts also do not give orders in vain. There is a pending application for contempt of court. Parties granted 7 days to file further affidavits in response to the contempt application. The court therefore orders that the county commander of police Nakuru County to assist in the implementation of the order dated 30th October 2023 to restore the hospital to the management of Nakuru War Memorial Hospital and non-interference with the running of the hospital as earlier ordered. It should be noted that the AG, the representative of the AG, Mr. Mudhuri, confirmed that the status is as per the deputy registrar's report. There was a handcuff recovered on the scene, number 141,501, which is a testament that the police were on the scene and effecting arrests. Mentioned for further orders on. When can you come back?
So that you can be implemented immediately. We come back the day after tomorrow. So that you can confirm.
After tomorrow is which day?
It is on Thursday 25th.
Thursday 25th.
Yes.
You shall have filed your...
Yeah, we will find out. We will find it.
And then you also inform the court about the implementation of the...
Most of branch.
Mention Thursday is which date?
25th.
25th January 2020. Inform your plans to obey court orders. Otherwise, there will be no reason why we should be sitting here.
Most of branch.
We were in court this afternoon because in the morning we came to court and we raised the issue of the invasion of Nakuru War Memorial Hospital yesterday by the county government of Nakuru against a court order. And in the morning, the county denied, or they feigned ignorance. They said they were not aware of the invasion. Therefore, the judge ordered that all advocates do visit the hospital in company of the deputy registrar. Of course, we went there, minus the advocates for the county government. They chose not to attend. And when we went there, we confirmed that indeed the county government of Nakuru had illegally and against a court order purported to take over the management and running of the hospital. they had brought some staff, and they were in the process of discharging most of the patients. And we came back to court and reported what was happening. And the judge has now ordered the county commander, Nakuru, to go and eject the county government officers from the premise and restore the hospital to the management of Nakuru War Memorial Hospital immediately. The judge has said that we are supposed to come back on Thursday, 25th, that is the day after tomorrow, to confirm that the county government of Nakuru is no longer in the War Memorial Hospital. That is the status. It has also allowed us to file further affidavits so that we can go for contempt against the officers who are presiding over the illegal activities of invading the hospital. When they invaded at 3 a.m., they damaged CCTV cameras, chased the staff who are in duty, and they were just wasting the properties and damaging the properties of Nakuru War Memorial Hospital. There were also threats to the senior management, which we shall take and have them reported. Some of them are in writing, where that is electronic writing, where there are some text messages. There were calls which were recorded, and other physical threats to the management of Nakuru War Memorial Hospital. We don't take it rightly when we find people in the county government threatening the management. If they believe they have a case, it is their duty to come and present it, but not to use some unorthodox means to get possession or illegal possession of the hospital. Therefore, we intend now from Thursday, once the hospital is restored, we intend now to pursue the application for contempt against the officials of the county government who are responsible for the illegal act. As you can see, all these are staff, part of the staff of the War Memorial Hospital who have been ejected and have been left without jobs. Very inhuman. And the patients' rights were also violated because they were discharged against their own wishes. Those who wanted to be there, they were told to leave that hospital. People are still not being allowed, even as we speak, until the county commander goes there and remove those people who are there. Yes.
Are you going to serve?
Immediately, it's being typed and signed by the registrar, and thereafter we'll serve it immediately for implementation. We're just hoping that the commander will action on it immediately, so that the hospital can start learning as soon as today. Yeah.